Just watch someone yawn, and now you want to yawn too? Yeah, same! It's called contagious yawning, and your brain is the one to blame. When you see someone yawn, your brain's mirror neurons fire, copying what you see like a social reflex. And guess what? You're more likely to catch a yawn from friends or family. It's tied to empathy and connection. Even dogs can catch yawns from humans. Like, are we emotionally syncing or what? So next time someone yawns and you yawn back, congrats! You've got empathy superpowers. Still haven't yawned yet? Don't worry. Just rewind and play it again.